Hi there, and welcome to the Endless Listening Podcast. We're happy you're here. Today's episode features a wonderful story called Introducing My Family. It's designed for A1 English learners to help you expand your vocabulary and practice listening. Sit back, take it easy, and let's begin. Hello, my name is Jack. I am 12 years old, and I live in a small but cozy house with my family. My family is very important to me, and I love spending time with them. Let me tell you about each member of my family. First, there is my dad. His name is Mike, and he is 42 years old. My dad works as an engineer. He is very smart and can fix almost anything in the house. Every Sunday, he and I build little projects together, like birdhouses or toy cars. He also loves telling jokes, and they always make me laugh. Next is my mom. Her name is Emily, and she is 40 years old. My mom is a teacher at the local school. She teaches math, but at home, she helps me with all my school subjects. She is very patient and always encourages me to try my best. My mom also loves baking, and her chocolate chip cookies are the best in the world. I have one younger sister. Her name is Lily, and she is 8 years old. Lily is funny and loves to sing and dance. She can sometimes be a little annoying when she takes my things without asking. But I know she looks up to me, so I try to be a good big brother. We also have a dog named Max. Max is 3 years old and is full of energy. He loves running around in the garden and playing fetch with me. Max is very friendly and always greets us with a wagging tail when we come home. My grandparents live with us too. My grandpa's name is George, and he is 70 years old. He loves gardening and grows the most beautiful flowers in our backyard. My grandma's name is Margaret. She is 68 years old and loves knitting. She often makes warm scarves and hats for us in the winter. On weekends, my family likes to spend time together. Sometimes, we go to the park for a picnic, or we watch movies at home. During holidays, we visit my cousins in another city. Family dinners are my favorite because we all sit together, share stories, and laugh a lot. That's my family. I feel very lucky to have them. They teach me many things and always support me. What about your family? Can you tell me about them? That's the end of the story introducing my family for today. Now, I'll ask you 3 questions to see if you understood. 1. What does Jack's dad do for work? 2. What is the name of Jack's younger sister? 3. Who lives with Jack's family besides his parents and sister? Leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to look in the description for a free PDF of today's story. Download it to help with your learning. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time with another interesting topic to boost your skills and progress.